So, can you believe it? Yesterday we had amazing sun at the loch, and now we have just got this snowstorm. I mean, look, it's pretty horrific behind me. Let's see if you can see the dogs. They are covered in snow. I'm just going to turn this around if I can figure out how to do it. There it is. So it's snowing fairly heavy, and the dogs are going to be white by the time I get them home. So we've got blizzard conditions today. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully we'll have beautiful, calm blue skies again. Have an amazing day.